DDR5 memory is finally hitting the sweet spot for performance, but finding a kit that plays nice with both Intel and AMD can still be a headache. This T-Force Vulcan kit promises 6000 MHz stability right out of the box, and we need to see if it truly delivers on that universal compatibility claim. What we have here is a 32GB kit running at 6000 MHz with CL38 timings. That 6000 speed is currently the gold standard for balancing performance and stability across both modern Intel 600 and 700 series chipsets and the latest AMD platforms. The fact that TEAMGROUP built in support for both Intel XMP3 and AMD Expo is what's really impressive. This means whether you are running a high-end Raptor Lake CPU or a Ryzen 7000 series chip, you should be able to hit that advertised speed with a single click in the BIOS, which is a massive win for builders who hate manual tuning. Beyond the raw speed, the design here is sleek. We're looking at a low-profile heat spreader in that striking red color, but it's not just for looks. TEAMGROUP has reinforced the structure for better cooling, which is essential when pushing these speeds. But the real engineering detail is under the hood. This memory is equipped with Power Management ICs, or PMICs, which are crucial for stable and efficient power delivery in DDR5. And get this, they've even strengthened the cooling specifically around those PMICs. That's a smart move, showing they are serious about long-term stability, especially during heavy overclocking sessions. For those concerned about reliability, the inclusion of on-die ECC helps maintain system stability by correcting minor data errors automatically. Plus, TEAMGROUP selects high-quality ICs for these modules, and they back the whole package with a lifetime warranty. That's serious peace of mind for a component that is so critical to system performance. Now, a quick word of caution, which is standard for any high-speed memory. Always check your motherboard's qualified vendor list, or QVL, before buying. And remember, the quality of your CPU's integrated memory controller and your motherboard's BIOS version can absolutely affect how easily you hit that 6000 MHz mark. Overall, if you are building a high-end system and need reliable, fast DDR5 that doesn't discriminate between Intel and AMD, the T-Force Vulcan 6000 MHz kit is an incredibly strong contender that offers both top-tier performance and serious stability features right out of the box.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.